Are you a fan of the Harry Bosch series and eager to know what's next for the beloved character? With the third season of Bosch Legacy set to premiere in March 2025, Michael Connelly and Titus Welliver have no plans of slowing down. Uh, Despite the original series coming to an end, there are still plenty of stories to tell in the Bosch universe. Season 3 of Bosch Legacy will be the final chapter of Harry Bosch's solo adventures, but fans are petitioning for a renewal while Harry Bosch is expected to appear in the upcoming Ballard spinoff. There are still many stories to tell in Bosch Legacy. Um, Michael Connelly hasn't concluded writing the Harry Bosch series in his books yet. And Titus Welliver has often stated that he will continue playing the role as long as possible. After passing on his LAPD badge in the original series, Bosch doesn't retire, instead becoming a private investigator, leading to an abundance of new stories featuring him. The rich content from Michael Connelly's book series ensures that Bosch Legacy has a long and promising future ahead. The creative team behind Bosch Legacy isn't bound to strictly follow the source material, allowing them to take Harry Bosch's stories in new directions. If you want to see more of Harry Bosch's adventures, sign the petition to save Bosch Legacy and spread the word on social media. Let your voice be heard and help keep the story going. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,